Good morning. We are BS Medical Technology students from Far Eastern University Manila, and we're here to discuss about different ways of organization in serving people toward a humane society.
Objectives. Number one, to know how people deal with the things around them to prevent cruelty in their society, in their homes, or even in the interaction between people. Number two, to know if people seek for benefits or if they have any hidden motives when doing an act of kindness. Number three, to know in what extent is the significance of helping to the progress of having a humane society and a better life. Number four, to give readers information on how we can achieve a humane society by generalizing the opinions, views of the respondents in this project.
Humane society. It is a society in which everyone is trying to achieve. It is almost an unreachable dream right now for us to dream a society such as this. When we speak of humane, it is marked by compassion, sympathy, or consideration for humans and animals. Compassion, sympathy, and considerations. Big words, aren't they? Does our society today still occupied with people owning these manners? Maybe yes, but not enough to create and maintain a humane society that everyone's been dreaming.
People now are blinded of the technology, to the way how they live their lives, to almost everything. People now are becoming self-centered. They do not care to anyone anymore as long as they get what they want. But few people still remain, still trying to be a good neighbor, a good classmate, and a good companion, a good human being as a whole. These few people who are trying to build a humane society are our hope, our only hope. They are the light, they are the living proofs that we, human beings, can still make it. And we can still change for the better and create a world without greed, jealousy, and dishonesty.
As we said, there are still people who are willing to help build a humane society, and our group considered these little organizations around the globe that make big differences. Let's not make things broad. For example, here at FEU, we have many organizations and many students, professors, and others are engaged in some of these organizations. These organizations have different missions and visions, but there are things we are sure. These organizations are bound to serve the people, to serve with compassion. They forget about being self-centered, selfish, and greedy, which can contribute in achieving a humane society.
Siguro yung yung pag-volunteer na. Kasi kapag nag-volunteer kami, ano, hindi, it doesn't matter who, or whom are we going to help, kung sino talaga yung kailangan kami, at saka kung ano talaga yung kailangan, yun, tinutulungan namin. Tsaka yung mga projects namin na katulad ng tamang family, na, ano ba, um, something about environment or hidden motives in a positive way. Ang hidden motives kasi namin, magkaroon kami, ma-educate sila, maturo sila sa amin, yung mga beneficiaries namin, na parang after nun kasi, parang yung hidden motives namin, meron kami ma-impart na learning sa kanila na ikikip nila. Yun lang. Expecting something in return, wala naman. Basically kasi natural na reaction ng tao na when you help, you don't have to expect something kasi voluntary na siya. Pero syempre, yung siguro yung expecting something in return, ano lang, yung makita mo na lang sila na matuto. Parang kailangan siya, yung pagiging compassionate. Kasi pag hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, nahahalata yun. At saka, pag hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, justice yung ginagawa mo. Hindi, parang, ayan lang, nagawa mo siya, pero walang result. Hindi mo ma-feel kasi wala din yung puso mo. Parang yung core kasi, nandun sa purpose. Kung walang purpose, wala siya. Bali, wala din siya. Yes. Nagkakandak kami ng mga ganyang meetings or seminars. More on siguro, syempre, given na yung Tamarang volunteers, pag sinabing Tamarang volunteers kasi, compose siya ng different, structures. Pwedeng sa leadership, at saka yung pinaka-core ng organization na service. When you say service, meron kaming partner organizations na ini-invite namin para mag-talk sila, paano ba ginagawa yung mga ganitong bagay, paano ba tayo makakatulong, tapos sunod na nun, awareness na, ano. Siguro yung pag-akit namin ng bundok, we call it a tumakit mission. Kasi pag tumakit kami ng bundok, kapag dating namin doon, merong mga indigenous people na makikita mo na ang tawag sa kanila, dumagat. Dumagat mission. Tapos, yung mga indigenous people na yun, makikita mo yung ngiti sa kanila kapag tinuruan mo sila kasi hindi sila marunong magsulat, magbasa. So, kapag kami, gumagawa kami ng Lapis Project namin, which is the Learning Advocacy Program for the Indigenous Society. Parang nakakatuwa na makita mo sa kanila na, ay, natututo sila dahil sa amin. Yung mga bagay na natutunan namin dito, sa city, nagadala namin doon, tapos na-impart nila, tapos sila din, na nila, parang na-engage nila yung sarili nila na sa ganitong practice. Siguro just do what you think you can. Just do what you, parang yung ideas mo, tapos yung dreams mo, pagpatuloy mo lang yan, gawin mo lang ng gawin kung ano yung gusto mong gawin na maganda para sa society. Eventually, something better or something best will come out.
Have you seen